Okay, I am back. So what you need to do is actually take this out, and I'm just showing you for display purposes that the best way to do this is by using a coin. So when this is locked in the remote, best to use a coin like a nickel. Unlock it, pull this whole thing out. Here you see you put in batteries, and these take in 4 AAA batteries. So let's do that. Let's put them in. This is to power the transmitter. And I'm just reading through the instructions. So put this back in, lock it up. All right. Let's see if this is now on. All right, I should have turned it off, but it's now on. And okay, so here on the transmitter there are different settings. There's your on-off button, there's your throttle, and then your steering, your dual rates for both throttle and steering. So yeah, you have all the functions you need to really control the car. So let's see, if I turn this on, it's already on, but let's turn it back on again, off and on. And no, nothing is happening. I don't get it. Do I need to charge the car first? Probably. Probably need to charge it. So if I do that and put this on here, when I put this on, I've just done that again. Great. That's fantastic. Let's turn it off first. Okay, so hopefully it didn't break, but it is bent. And just want to make sure that the connections are still there. Alright, so not sure what else I need to do, but maybe this thing needs to charge first. So I will be back again. Okay, I am back. And I think I managed to figure it out. Let's turn the transmitter on. It's got a blue light. And let's turn the car on. And when you turn the car on, you get lights. You can see here, oh my gosh, it's really like an off-road. You can drive this at night. And so it's got steering. You can see that on the bottom. It's proportional, so if I turn the steering wheel a little bit, it turns a little bit. And how about the throttle? Yeah. Oh, it's got forward and reverse. Perfect. So the setting right now is at 50. I just move some stuff away. How fast will it go at 50? Oh, not bad. Is that enough to go up the ramp? No. It is, but it falls down. So that's pretty cool. Let's turn the throttle to 100. And oh wow. I think this, okay, it's flashing, so lights are off, coming off. It needs more charge. I just barely charged this like for 10 seconds just to see how it works. But it's pretty cool. And if I go to 20, it's really slow. Yeah, it needs a charge. I will be back.